Hey, we're here at our listing in the heart of Grimes. It's on Main Street. This property will really impress you. Let's take a look. As you come through, you'll see this really nice front deck right here. It's been updated. It's great for kind of that old school neighborhood vibe where you can sit on your front porch to say hi to people. I like that a lot. So let's check out the inside. As you come through, you'll see how well the current owner has taken care of this property. She's really updated everything throughout the house, including the windows, the kitchen, and the bathroom. This property has a simple layout, but it is gorgeous. You'll really love all the fine intricacies that she has done. So as you come through here, you'll see how well this is laid out and how the hardwood floors have been preserved. As you come through here, you have bedroom number 1 right here. This is being utilized as an office right now. You have your closet right here. I love the historic charm that you see throughout this property. Check out this amazing full bathroom that's been updated. I love the detail work and the tile. Just everything's been so well thought out. Now we'll progress over to the kitchen. This kitchen's been updated as well. You have this really beautiful layout right here. All the kitchen appliances are included. Really nice layout right here. As you can see, it's really good size. You have a good sized closet right over here. Then you have your desk area right here as well. Now to wrap up the inside of the home, you'll see you have your main floor laundry. Then additionally, you have your utilities right here. So I like how there's this additional space right here where you can put your, you can have a folding station right here. One thing, I love these little details right here. This is a concrete floor, but as you can see, there's been some really nice stencils going on. I love how there's wainscoting right there. So now let's check out the backyard. Look how big and spacious this backyard is. You have tall chain link fence there. Concrete patio right here. But as you can see, I just love how this layout is because you have a really nice patio back here for having summer bonfires. Storage area right here with the shed there. If you have a dog, this is just kind of a dog's dream, but also if you have kids, this is a really nice backyard too. But it's such a good size and great layout, as you'll see. One thing I do want to highlight and really emphasize at the beginning, you have a really nice carport over here as well, so it's great for all seasons to have that. If you're looking for an amazing property in Grimes, this is it. This property has so much historical charm, but also a lot of updates throughout. Updated kitchen, updated bathroom, along with some updated plumbing. Then you got updated windows. Again, pound for pound, foot by foot, this is the best property here in Grimes. If you have any questions, please reach out.